Hello there, I am Applebee. I am here to have fun with you while we learn. Come, let's sing my song together. Hello, I'm your friend Applebee. We'll have fun together, just you and me. We'll learn our letters and our numbers too. We'll learn our colors red, green and blue. So let's get started, do come along. Let's clap and sing the Applebee song.
Let us learn about birds. This is a peacock. It is our national bird. This is a crow. It is black in color. This is a cuckoo. It is called the singing bird. This is a sparrow. It is a small brown-gray bird with a short tail. This is an eagle. It flies high in the sky. This is a penguin. It is the only bird which can swim but cannot fly. This is a crane. It is the world's tallest flying bird. This is a swan. It is one of the largest flying birds and can swim in water. This is an ostrich. It is the largest bird. This is a pigeon. It was used to transport letters. This is a parrot. It can make sounds like humans. This is a cock. It crows at dawn when the sun rises. This is an owl. It is a night bird. This is a duck. It can swim in water. Answer the following questions. Which is our national bird? The peacock is our national bird. Which is a night bird? The owl is a night bird. Which is the largest bird? The ostrich is the largest bird. Which birds swim in water? Swans, ducks and penguins swim in water. Which bird is called the singing bird? The cuckoo is called the singing bird.